All right, I got an egg, set that there. Then I'm going to go in here and put some food in their food thing. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Everybody back up. You can go out there if you'd like. All right, here is their mushy bowl that I just put kitchen scraps, eggs, whatever. So here is some sprouted grains. And then I have some lettuce leaves at the bottom. Try to split it between them. But they're more able to handle the bigger pieces. We're due for a little bit more mulch in here, but it does not smell. The only time it actually smells is if they poop right when you're standing there. But I use, it's just stainless bowls, wash them. Well, hello guys, and this is Salt, and he is the least aggressive of all of our chickens. There's Daisy. They always want what you have in your hand. Whatever, it doesn't matter what else is around. Let's not do that, okay, Weedy? Don't make me get the broom. I got the broom right here just in case. But he really hasn't done anything lately. All right, Weedy, come here. Come on, buddy. All right. There, boy. Oh, I know. I know. Tell me, how terrible. You hate getting got. I know. But you're a pretty boy. Here's a pretty boy. Look at all your friends. All right. There you go. You do that as often as possible, and it seems to neutralize him a little bit. By showing dominance, he backs down. If I were to try to go head-to-head with him and try to kick him or fight him, he wouldn't stop until he got knocked out. But if you go from the back, pick him up, you don't know what to do about that. And this is Salt. All right, buddy. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Hey, buddy. That was a good fight. He does not like to be held that much. I know. There you go. Oh. He is as big as a turkey. So it's actually pretty crazy that these things are getting so big. They started out little teeny tiny. Hi. All right, here is Pepper. She's very timid, but she is always after the food. She's the one that eats it first, and then the others follow her. She's the food leader. Here's Salty. All right. I think that was a pretty good video.